Alright guys, I think we are live now. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Okay, I think we are actually live now. So let's quickly look into the analysis. So the market already started. Market opened already. So 2 minutes to the end of the first 15 minutes candle. Although I'm expecting a buying momentum actually. But before that, let's take a look at the progress on the prop firm challenge so far. So I'm going to show you the equity edge account itself. This is the accounts. I'm currently up 0%. I'm at, let's say, 50K, 49,800, but just $100 of a drawdown, but it's as good as 0.01%. So I need to make a profit of 5,000, which is basically 5% profit on the account right now, and I'm happy for the progress of the account so far because I have managed to to hold on to the accounts for a while now, and it's quite good to see. So even though we had a setback recently, but luckily we were restored. The account was restored back to me, and I'm super excited for that. So the plan now actually is to try and trade this account very carefully. I want to pass a challenge, like, how amazing it is whereby, that Equity Edge already breached this account. Yeah, they breached the account for some technical error and they restored the account. Yeah, so it makes sense for me to be very patient and pass the challenge using my best trade setup. And for example, my best trade setup is I took a buy yesterday, by the way. You remember when this account was at 48,000 as of yesterday, right? So I made a profit yesterday. I traded yesterday, guys. I made 1,000 for about 3% profit yesterday, and I took the trade, and the price was somewhere over here. Yeah, somewhere over here. Then I took a buy trade from the bottom here, and I closed right somewhere here, right? I was hoping the trade will actually continue yesterday, but it reversed all the way. Then the Asian session continued it to the upside. So I didn't get any other entry afterwards. So what I'm expecting today is a buy continuation. I do think that NASDAQ is eventually going to reach this level, this high over here. And honestly, if I can get a trade from the bottom that can reach this high point, that would be really nice, because that's going to be like, the trade I'm really waiting for. Okay, so the first 15 minutes candle has closed now. It closed bullish, so it does means that there is buyer presence in this level. But honestly, I'm not interested in taking a trade from this level. If I would have taken a trade, I should have taken the trade from when it was pulling down. Then the stop loss could have be like 100 points, like this could have been the stop loss. Then we could target like a 300 point profit, right? But for now, that's not going to happen because we couldn't get a trade like that. So I would have to wait for, oh man, I don't know. What do I think? I think I might not trade today because, so let's take a look at the Asian high, previous day high, all those liquidity levels. If you notice something, price has not yet taken the previous day high yet. So it still means that there's still a chance that this thing might sell to the demand zone before it actually continue buying, right? So in that case, I'm actually interested in holding off trying to buy. So I'm not going to buy, where it is right now. Even if it end up working out for anybody that buy, that's good luck. But I would prefer if the price will come lower, and then I can take a trade. Or I just keep trading today entirely. I don't like trading on Wednesdays anyway, because I've noticed it in the past. Wednesday's trade it's 50-50. I might win, I might lose. So I tend to make money on Tuesdays, Thursday, Friday. So I think I'll just stick to it like that. Even though there's a big chance that this whole move is gonna go all the way up today, but I think it's just mere wishes. Still, the plan is to pass these accounts as quick as possible. All right, good afternoon, Elijah Ojo. By the way, how is your account going, man? I'm still not in profit yet, so I do need profits. So right now, NASDAQ has taken the previous day high now. So I think that's a sign that the buy will continue. However, is there going to be a pullback for an entry or not? So that's another question of the day. I missed out on the buy. If I was early, I might actually have bought after the 239 candle went bullish. I might have bought somewhere here, you know. Then I would have put my stop somewhere here, and then I'll be targeting. Then I'll be looking to even go break even by now, but I wasn't active then. So, anyway, right now, I think that the volatility is quite normal today. Like, it's not moving too fast, it's not moving too aggressive. So, it's actually a good day to actually be looking for trade, but it could I'd have prefer. I think I'm gonna skip these trades entirely. I'm gonna skip the trade entirely. The best place, although yeah, it can come. Yeah, I think if it comes down again, maybe I might consider taking a buy if it comes down again. For now, I'm gonna stay out of it. And I think that's gonna be the end of the show. I just came to quickly give an update. It's been a while I went live on the channel, and I wanted to break the silence and then just come back online. Oh, by the way, on Equity Edge, I've gotten 3 payouts now. The last payout was, I think, yesterday or 2 days ago. I think it was yesterday, no? So let me go to the withdrawal section. So the last withdrawal I requested from the 5K account. So I've gotten 2 payouts now on that 5K account, 2 payouts. And the next payout again is in the next 2 weeks, which I'm trying to target another maybe 4 to 7% profit. And let's see, so they do give me this let's say, where is it payout certificates. So yeah, right here you can see all the payouts. So PropFM normally gives certificate anytime you get a payout, they give it to you. So they paid 164 yesterday. So simple money, was good. It's very nice, thanks to them. It was very useful. All right, so that said, NASDAQ is going to buy, right? However, I think that it's going to go lower a little bit before it starts buying, right? So that is my expectation. I'm expecting a downside movement first before the move to the upside will eventually start. And I think I'm just going to be actively looking at it now to see if I'm actually going to enter. Let me even go and get my accounts ready so that if we start to see a bullish formation, maybe it actually does make sense to trade, It might make sense to actually maybe take a trade and put a stop loss here. Okay. I'm actually considering the potential of entering a NASDAQ trade this afternoon. The market structure is good. The market structure is good for buying. There's no volume right now, which is unusual. It's unusual of NASDAQ that there's no volume. However, let me see where US oil is going. The US oil is going down. That's a good sign. The US 30 went all the way down and it's pushing up. US 30, we care nothing about it. We don't care about it at all. I don't care about US 30 one bit. All right, guys and girls. So what do we think is going to happen? So it seems like NASDAQ might actually move a little bit downward before it goes upward. So guys, let's go have the amazing rest of the day. I might trade today, I might skip the trade, but who knows? We'll see how that goes. Okay, and safe trading, guys, and we're gonna continue live streaming every day now, tomorrow onwards. So I will be trading live every day going forward. And let's pass this challenge again. And I feel like I'm a little bit relaxed on the challenge, on this 50K challenge. And the thing is that after this one, there's actually going to be another challenge, probably a 100K or a 500K challenge. But let's see how quickly we can finish this, and then we can get on to that one. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see each other again tomorrow. Bye bye for now.